This is our situation today with the 2010 Camry. The battery light came on the dashboard. I've got the multimeter attached to the battery. The motor is off, showing 12.09 volts currently. When I start the car, the voltage should drop up to something over 14 volts. Here we go, turning the car on. Voltage actually drops, 11.87 volts. Turning the headlights on, drops 11.79 volts. Turn the AC blower on high, drops down to 11.6664 volts. Turn the radio on.
President offered a proclamation of praise
So it doesn't
yesterday
change
after
anything.
remaining mum when asked about
Turn the
the
rear
Senator
window,
reporters.
turn the radio off, turn the rear window defogger on. Drops down more. But it appears that the alternator is not charging. Bring this around. You can see the dash. Of course, the brake is on. Shows that the headlights are on. I'm not wearing my seatbelt. And the battery light is on. So something's not right with the alternator. I don't think it's a bad connections issue because I have not been fooling with the connections and it was fine before. Chances are the alternator has crapped out.